Hello friends, welcome in my show Popular Academy Biology. Today we will discuss a very important concept in biology, the evolution. evolution के बारे में कॉन्सेप्ट आज हम लोग देखेंगे और evolution में आज हम लोग का टॉपिक है that is origin of life. Origin of life is basically studied on following aspect or following basis, that is cosmic evolution, chemical evolution and organic evolution. Origin of life is studied on the concept of cosmic evolution, chemical evolution and organic evolution. Cosmic evolution is mainly related with earth formation, earth cooling, rainfall, and about 4.5 billion years ago our earth is originated or earth is formed. And during the chemical evolution we will study how the inorganic compounds are converted into different type of organic compounds which are a basis of cell, which are a basis of life, part of protoplasm. And organic evolution means evolution of different forms of life, different type of plants and animals, which is how they are originated. And now we will study the different theories about the origin of life. The simple theory about the origin of life is special creation theory, in which the earth and different forms of life are originated by God in different mythology. This theory have no any scientific basis, so these theories are discarded. Another theory is cosmic theory, in which there is a life originated on the earth from other planet के से ही लाइफ अर्थ पर आई है in this theory. And in other planet there is no ideal condition for existence of life, and so this cosmic theory is also disproved. And after the cosmic theory, many supporters like Aristotle mainly believed in abiogenesis, origin of life में abiogenesis, that is the spontaneous generation theory, in which they assume that there is a abiotic matter which is responsible for development of organic matter. And many scientists disprove this abiogenesis theory. Firstly Francisco Redi, then Spallanzani, and finally a classical experiment by Louis Pasteur in 1860, that is Swan neck experiment, mainly disproved the spontaneous generation or abiogenesis theory. Thus Louis Pasteur have final credit to disprove the abiogenesis theory of origin of life. And lastly, the most important concept in theories of origin of life is biogenesis, biopoiesis. This biogenesis theory is given by Oparin and Herden, and Oparin and Herden basically believe that in the earlier atmosphere the inorganic compounds convert into organic compounds, which finally converted to simple or complex type of cell. On this evolution, when the earth is cooling down and more water comes on the earth during the rainfall, the water is called Herden soup, in which different inorganic compounds are present. These inorganic compounds are generally represented in different simple forms, and when the inorganic compounds undergo mix, they make another type of complex compounds like amino acids, fatty acids. And all the different type of amino acids, fatty acids are mainly prepared in earlier time, and by the aggregation of different biomolecules, different amino acids, different fatty acids, big molecules are created known as quacervates. These quacervates are aggregates of macromolecule, and when quacervates are surrounded by a lipid membrane, this lipid membrane mainly separate the particular cell to the outer environment. So a basic type of cell is developed known as protocell after the development of lipid membrane. And this protocell, when combined with nucleic acid, the self-replicating system of cell are developed. These simple cells generally take nutrition either by parasitism first or saprophytic, or they may show autotrophic mode of nutrition in variation. This Oparin and Herden theory is finally experimentally proved by Miller-Urey experiment or Urey-Miller experiment in 1953. This is the experiment which shows that inorganic compounds are converted to different organic compounds and energy is needed, which in earlier time is mainly provided by thundering or lighting in atmosphere. And in this experiment, a reaction chamber have different inorganic compounds, electrode is placed, there is a condensation chamber, water. Thus in the experiment, different inorganic compounds in reaction chamber are mainly converted into organic compounds, and these organic compounds are condensed in this condensation chamber, and after condensation the organic compounds aggregates and make quasar weights which are floating in this water chamber, and this water chamber is mainly compared with earlier C, and these electrodes are compared with lightning of earlier time. So this Urey and Miller experiment mainly prove that how the inorganic compounds present in earlier atmosphere are used to make organic compounds for origin of life, for origin of primitive cell. And be clear, for these reactions, water is a very important medium which facilitate all these type of reactions, and energy is required in this process, which in this experiment is provided by electrode, and in earlier time it is provided by lightning of lightning in atmosphere. Thus Urey-Miller experiment mainly proved the biogenesis theory which is proposed by Oparin and Haldane. So today we will clear the different theories of origin of life, special creation, cosmic theory, spontaneous generation, biogenesis, Oparin and Haldane, and Urey-Miller experiment. Please like, subscribe and share my video and channel. Thank you.